Hello, my friend. I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Autom. We are the manufacturer with a professional R&D team. And today, I'm going to introduce you the small granule automatic vertical packing machine behind me. The model number of this machine is ATM-320C, economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. This machine can make multiple sealing bag types: pillar seal, 3-side seal, 4-side seal, gases seal, pyramid seal, etc. Optional equipment can be date coding device, nitrogen gas filling device, hole parting device, gasket device, continuous bag device, etc. The packing range 5 to 500 grams. The frame of the machine is made of stainless steel, which is durable and clean. All the contact hood part of this machine is 304 stainless steel, which meets the hygienic standard of food QS. This machine is suitable for packing peanuts, beans, granular candy, pet food, rice, sugar, corns, detergent powder, seeds, and other kinds of solid granules. Look at this part. It is a film roll device. It's easy to install film roll. We can use laminated film on this machine like this color film, clear film. Look at this part. It is color mark sensor. It can track the color mark on the film automatically to make the bag length. Look at this part. It is ribbon coding machine. It can print production date, expire date, batch numbers. Let's take a look at this part. It is Volumetric Cup Filler. This cup filler can do automatic measurement and filling the granular products. We will design the volume of this cup specification according to product target weight. We have two types of volume cup device, between large particles and fine particles. It's made of food grade 304 stainless steel. Look at this part. It's a bag former, made of 304 stainless steel. The packaging film is poured into the bag former by friction. The packaging is simple and beautiful with a human-like design. Different bag making equipment can be replaced according to different bag weights. One machine can pack bags of various weights. Here is a vertical sealing device to seal this side. Horizontal sealing device with the cutter to seal this side of the bag. Color mark accurate positioning system avoids sticking blades and wasting materials. Here is smart PLC touch screen, convenient, quick, and easy to understand. The touch screen can store 8 packaging process parameters of many different products. Also, it can be used at any time when changing products. Mechanical fault display system can help troubleshooting and reduce manual operation. It's PID independent temperature control system. The left one is for vertical sealing device. Another one is for horizontal sealing device. Independent temperature control system keeps accurate temperature, ensures sealing beautiful and smooth. Here are all buttons on the main packing machine. The emergency stop one, the main power button. Let's check the electrical box of the main packing machine. All component parts are well-known brand parts, which is durable and guaranteed. Okay, let's run the machine to show you how it works. So, you have any customized packing solution, just find us at the website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.